How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I personally look out for to spot reversals in the market, and not only reversals, but how to hold trades longer. So if you're finding yourself getting just maybe 5 to 10 points, I'm going to show you how I was able to capitalize on a 100-point move the other day just alone using these metrics. So let me look at this real quick with you guys, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do to spot these reversals, and then I want you guys to go back on your charts and look at this yourself. So we're going to basically look at three opportunities, three reversals on the chart. This reversal here, this one here, and this one here. And I'm going to tell you the exact candle I would enter in on and how to actually play this for the max amount of profit. So guys, let's dive into this real quick. The number one thing that you want to look at, and I want to say number one thing, there's a couple things, but in the videos that I do, the live recordings that I do of myself trading here on YouTube, I don't see this too much, but I want to kind of hone into this a little bit on this video. This bottom dashboard is extremely powerful, showing overall momentum in institutional money that's either flowing out or flowing into the market. It would naturally make sense that if you are going in an upper trend, if you are wanting to see a reversal or expecting a reversal, that money should actually start stepping down in that direction, right? Well, it's correct. Another way to look at this is think of this as like a pyramid. If we're actually physically stepping on this, what is the overall direction? Up. Well, price is increasing. If we're stepping down, what is price doing? Stepping down. If we're stepping down, price is stepping down. So take a look at this. I want you guys to look at this part. But more importantly, what are the candles that I'm looking at? How am I using these metrics here? So let's look at this one first. We had the impulse up. We had a little bit of consolidation. The white dots on top of the Hiekin Ashi candles here is very important because at the end of the candle, it'll print exactly a dot where the price ended. Now, I could tell you that if the white dots are 50% or below of the candles at close, you want to just be looking to go short, and that's a great indication that you can see a continuation in that direction, right? So if you are getting that indecision and then you start seeing them switch over, doji candles and the strong bearish ones, which is a full body, and you wick out the bottom, see how these dots right here, this is your reversal entry. Looking down, this is actually when you started stepping down out of the market too. So if you are comfortable with it, and you guys notice the profit wave, switching from green over to red and we dump below the wave, that's when we end up getting in. Now to hold these trades longer, what I want you to do is look at the profit wave, and when it gets wider, the more momentum is behind it. If your candles have spacing in between this, it means the momentum's super strong. Keep holding that position to the downside. Something you can do is look at these dots right here and say, all right, if I'm in short now, if this is all red, I want to be looking for a reversal, or excuse me, a continuation in that direction, and I want to just keep holding. Too many times we get into trades and we're up 5 points or 7 points, or we're stimulated on a dollar amount and say, oh, I'm at $100, $150. It can't go any more in my direction. The amount of thousands of dollars that you're losing out on, and myself that I'm losing out on, if we don't hold trades longer, we have to hold them longer. You have to get used to it. I was doing a free call last Friday, and the question was, Justin, how do I do that though, psychologically wise? I said, this is what you have to do. The longer you're going to trade, or the higher the time frame, use less contracts. So if you're using 5 micros with 550K counts, drop it down to 2 and just let it run. You have to get used to the psychological side of it to be able to play it. So, all right, that's the first reversal. We come down. To spot a reversal coming in the opposite direction, I need money to be flowing in that direction as well. This big step up from the bottom green coming out, and we're stepping. This candle right here is your reversal candle. This is actually a trade that I took the other day. I didn't get in right at this part, but I got in here and took out 100 points and made $3,295 on my pro account just by following these rules specifically. So money started flowing in. I had a big reversal candle here. I played an entry above, strong bullish candle. Background switched over to green. Money momentum continued. And I just rode it up and up and up and up. I'll tell you why I got out of this, and I'll have to do another video, but I'll touch on it real quick. If you're comfortable and you do some of my trainings where I say this is the spot where you want to be looking to get out, this candle, if you notice right here in this overall downtrend, was the continuational candle to play a break below and to go further. That area is what I marked out as my target for this trade going longer, right? And I'll show you that in a second. It's kind of crazy how that all works out, and I'll do it in a different video. But let's just go on here a little bit more. You then get the indecision, and we start heading down. You can just naturally see this lower high, lower high. Well, what happened here? Money momentum started shifting down. If your candles and your dots are heading that direction, and then you get your background changing over, go short. Everything is saying, hey, money's flowing out, background switching over. That's where you want to go. And then right afterwards, the last one, this is where you get it shifting up. Money starts shifting back in. You get that strong candle taking out probably the past 15, 20. You enter in and you ride this all the way up. So this is how you can look at reversals. How do you spot a reversal? The next video I'll do is I'll say, okay, how do you look at continuational trades? That'll be the video right after this one. But in this specifically, I want you to look at the 3-minute time frame and get a bigger perspective of where could you see this shift happening. And if you can spot this and know that on your charts, that right at these areas, this is your reversal area right here. You have another reversal area right here that we went over. And we got a couple more. Go to mark it out. Reversal right here. And our last one, as you guys can see, is a reversal right at this spot. Those are the 4 reversals with everything in line, background switching over, profit wave stacked, money's flowing down, red, 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 green, 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 red, 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 green, green, green. That's it. And you're holding these. This is a 100-point move. This was probably about a 200-point move. This was probably about 70, and then you probably had another 100-plus point move here. This is why these metrics are being used so quickly by so many futures traders and passing prop firms, because it smooths out the market indecision sometimes. So I'll show you guys this right now. It is the week of Black Friday, of course. So I'm going to be doing this for you guys. Right now, all of these metrics are on Black Friday sales. This will be on for this entire week, dropping not only the NinjaTrader version down, but also for TradingView. It's available for both platforms. I have migrated over to NinjaTrader just because I've seen so much success with it. I absolutely love being able to link multiple accounts, have brackets, and be able to move it literally right in front of me when I'm recording videos and also when Ron is live. Now, guys, the biggest thing that I'm doing is I am actually paying for you guys the first month of a live trading session for 12 live trading sessions, basically on me. So the way to do this, when you go over to Take Profit Trader and you grab 5 50K accounts using the promo code MyFutureSuccess in all caps, it'll give you absolutely the rock bottom price, guaranteed no matter what, or you guys can just use this link here. Shoot me a screenshot of you grabbing those 5 accounts to my email, and I'm going to add you on not only to a private Zoom call that I personally do with 30 other pro traders every first and third Friday of the month forever. I'm also going to be giving you a discount code for the live trading sessions with Ron that's going to drop this down for the first month to 99 cents, literally 99% off. So for an entire month, 12 live trading sessions, I'm going to be giving that to you guys. I am taking this cost, paying Ron, and saying, you know what, this is my time in life to give back. I want you guys, if you're going to make the investment, let's be real quick. If you're going to make the investment into Take Profit Trader, I do just like kickback from them. The way that I do this is I am now paying it forward and saying, I want you guys to get those accounts to pro. So I'm going to give you the education for an entire month on me so you can get those accounts there. And if you decide afterwards, you're like, Justin, I'm kind of making too much money doing this. Like, I think I could just stay on here, and I wouldn't mind actually paying the normal price here. Then go ahead and do it. If not, and you're like, oh, hey, you know what? I think I can do this on my own afterwards. Totally fine. This is on me, you guys. I love this time of year because I love giving. I absolutely love it. All my friends and family know this. It's like the best part of business is, you know, whenever we get paid for whatever I do, I've ever done in life, I always say, how can I give back to people first? So this is how I'm doing it for you guys. I hope you find a lot of education in this video on how to spot the reversals. The next video that I'm going to do coming out tomorrow will actually be a video of how do you play continuational trades. And if you think you've been in a trade and you've missed the entry, I'm going to show you exactly how to spot a continuational trade to capitalize on hundreds of dollars. So guys, that'll be the next video. Thank you so much for following this channel. I appreciate all of you guys. Take care. God bless.